Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make a ground beef vegetable bean bowl. It's your whole dinner in a bowl. Okay? Alright, because we really have a hard time trying to figure out what to do with ground beef, right? I mean, you can do a meatloaf, you can do, mix it with pasta, but we really run out of ideas. So I have one for you, okay? Alright, so let's get started. So we're going to be cooking on the stove. Here's a pound of ground beef, okay? And to the ground beef, I'm going to add some milk. You can use any kind of milk you want. Just about 5 tablespoons so that we can get the milk soft. Okay? That might have been maybe 3 tablespoons. And we're going to just mix that up. Now, and then I'm going to put it in my frying pan that already have olive oil in it. Wash my hands. Okay, so now I want to add some black pepper. Some garlic. Add some more garlic. Adobo. Okay. And I have some beef broth, just like the chicken broth, but this is beef broth. I want to bring the flavor of that beef way up. Okay, so I'm going to go with, let me go with 1 heaping tablespoonful. And then we'll taste it and see if we like that taste. I'm mixing it in. If you add the beef broth to your beef, oh, you can enhance that flavor 10 times. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, so I'm going to let that cook for about 5 minutes, okay? And I'll be back. Okay, so our ground beef is done. Let me taste it and see what I need to do for flavor. I need some pepper. Other than that, it tastes pretty good. Need to bring up the pepper. The beef definitely enhanced it. Okay, let me put that in a container and I'm going to show you how we're going to plate it up. Okay, so this is a bean and vegetable mix that I cooked on a previous video. So I'm going to put this video up first so that you can follow this video and then go on into the hamburger video, because I'm going to use this vegetable and bean dish to go with the hamburger, okay? You follow me? Okay. So, I'm going to take some of the vegetable bean dish and I'm putting it on the bottom, you see? Then, gotta get another utensil. Then I'm going to take the hamburger and put it on top. And I want a tomato on the very top. I'm making it pretty for you. There you go. How about that? This is a vegetable bean hamburger bowl dinner. How about that? Is that too long? Okay, let me get a picture for the thumbnail. Look at that. Cool, huh? So it's just another idea what you can do with your hamburger, okay? And healthy. Alright. There's no starch there. It's all vegetables and beans and meat. Good, good, healthy dinner. Okay? Alright, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Check out the links below. Subscribe if this is your first time on the channel. Spread the word on the fried cabbage, will you? Okay, talk to you soon.